Alright mga karancho, tungkol Domingo, it's Sunday. Kag medyo hina ang ulan. Paduduhon ta. So I will do some acapella song kay Waita available instrumental. I mean -1 or karaoke song be. So ma-acapella ta. Edgar, let's do this. Two old friends meet again, wearing all the faces, and talk about places they have been.
Wow.
Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How they would know? Someday they'll meet again and never